Hey there, in this video we're going to do my unboxing of a MacBook Pro. This is a 15-inch. I thought maybe I should get a 13-inch, but then I had somebody lend me one for a little bit and I found out that my eyeballs don't do well with a 13-inch. So the whole idea here is that I get a MacBook Pro should help me get my videos done a little more frequently because I don't have any good hardware. Okay, so I got this from B&H Photo. I love getting stuff from them. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not trying to sell them. I just use them. They work out pretty good for me every time I buy high-end electronics. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to take the plastic off here. Take the plastic off. Alright, open this guy up. Does it just slide off the top? Yep, it does. Ta-da! 15-inch MacBook Pro. So the MacBook Pro, not an Air, a Pro. Alright, so here you go. So I guess the difference between the Air is lighter. The Air's also a little more tapered. It's like thinner at the end where you put your hands on the keyboard. Okay, so that's wrapped in nicely in some protective plastic there. Let's see what else comes in the box. Let's see, USB Type-C. These are the Type-C connectors. I wonder if that's how it charges now. Didn't used to be that way. Let's see. Yep, it would appear that is the case. That's interesting because my Google Pixel uses a USB-C type connector to charge. I wonder if I could use this to charge my Pixel. Okay, so USB Type-C cable, both ends. Big old fat heavy transformer charger. This is probably some kind of literature of some sort, like a welcome thing or something like that. Alright, that's nice. Alright, let's see. I don't think there's anything under that. I think that's it. That's it, because I've had other Apple products and typically that's usually it. Everything that comes in the box is usually right there where you can see it. So let's get to the fun part. Let's take the plastic off this guy. And see what the keyboard looks like. Now they got this thing called I don't know if this one has it, called a touch bar or something like that. I'm not really sure much about what that is. I'm not an Apple guy. I do have an iPhone, but I'm more of a Windows PC kind of guy. Ooh, that's nice, a little bit of protective paper in there. Well, that's interesting. It just started up the minute I opened the lid. That's pretty cool. All right, well, I got to do the software walkthrough and all that. So, but yeah, this thing here across the top, that's what they call the touch bar. So maybe you guys can leave me a comment and tell me what I'm supposed to do with that. Now, look at the size of that trackpad. The trackpad is like the size of my entire hand. That's pretty cool. Also, as far as connectors go, it's all Type-C on both sides. So USB Type-C on both sides. No more Lightning, no more charging port. I'm not positive, but if I had to guess, that's probably a audio port right there. So I guess even though they're getting rid of the audio ports on the iPhones, the laptops still have them. All right, well, hopefully this is gonna get me to do more videos more frequently because I don't have any decent hardware for doing videos, and that's kind of my hope. All right, thanks for watching.